More and more products are benefiting from being connected. By the year 2020, 50 billion devices will be online. Connected car systems are expected to grow from 45 million in 2011 to 210 million in just 5 years, while connected consumer electronics will see an even more rapid growth during this time. So how could this transformation be made smooth for both operators and consumers? Simple. Make the subscription invisible. Bundle it with the device so it's simply plug and play. Then, instead of pushing subscriptions, take a percentage of the selling price and add on purchases. The world's largest online bookstore did just that with their e-books. 8 million devices and 3 times more e-books than hardcovers sold in 2010 should be proof enough that it can work. Still, we've just been talking about the devices that people know about. Imagine the business of all the other invisible ones. Unplug. Let's rethink mobile broadband.